Hello? Hello? What's brackin'? It's your boy back in effect. Clyde, Young V, Villyville, whatever you know me as, is back in the mix. And I ain't playing no tricks. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy and we in the living room with it today. 700 V1, wait, V1. Oh, these got the new shoe smell. So I got the 700 analogs. They're a pretty dope shoe. Colorway and just being 700s in general, they're my favorite Yeezy to date, and they just stand the test of time. They're mad comfortable. They go with a lot, and a lot of people weren't really messing with them because they have the whole dad shoe vibe when they first came out. But like with a lot of things that push the envelope or a lot of unique things, not a lot of people are apt to adopt it pretty early on. You can see here, it's pretty dope. These have an off-white sole to them with a cream upper. People started wearing them. It became readily available. People really started to like mess with the 700s vibe. It's unique, it's dope. It's very well-structured shoe. There's a reason why this shoe usually retails at 300 because the sole itself is very large and it's comfy as well. It's got boost all up in there, and you got your very high quality suede right here. It's not just any suede, it's not a cheap suede or anything. There's really a texture to the suede, and if you see on the side here how thick the suede is, so there's a lot of materials to go behind it with the mesh right here that just allows for breathability in the shoe. Even inside the shoe, it's kind of chunky, it's kind of cushiony, so you get a lot of comfort even wearing the shoes, and the colors themselves come together. One thing that you got to give Adidas and Kanye West or whomever you want to give credit for the Yeezys is they come up with really nice colorways. These are pretty dope, the way they put them together. They could have done an all cream shoe, an all off-white shoe, an all white shoe, but they really wanted to bring all of those together to make something really complimenting. Like you got the white in here, but then you got the cream on the mesh, and you got the off-white leather, and then you got the khaki suede on the front, off-white sole with the white little shanks in the sole to give it more splash, and then the gray on the bottom. In a previous video of mine, I mentioned I really like the outsoles of the 700s, and I really do. Like, they're the wave runners, and the bottom looks like a wave. Like, it looks like the ocean. It really reminds me of something like a splash, really. It's like a splash of sauce on the bottom. Like, that's really where they went with that. And these shoes are pretty awesome. They're structured really well. They come together. You can put them together with a lot of things. And as stated, 700s are my favorite, honestly. If you look at these shoes, they come together really well. I really love these shoes. As far as Yeezys are concerned, my next cop are probably going to be the static V2s because static V2s are amazing. Probably the best V2s, or people like the Vantas, but I have the non-reflective black 350s, so I really don't feel a need to buy the Vantas. Maybe one day I'll buy the Vantas, but for now I'm just trying to get different color palettes and different things out the way. So without further ado, I'm going to go over to the on foot and then we'll continue there. comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so I can live swell. It's your boy, Young V, back in the mix.